question we get asked a lot this time of year: should we adjust our irrigation schedules when daylight savings time rolls around? The answer is, surprisingly, not exactly. It's easy to assume that when the clocks change, so should our watering schedule. But in reality, the schedule changes are influenced by something called evapotranspiration, or ET. ET reflects how much water plants lose to the air through evaporation and transpiration, which varies with sunlight, temperature, wind, and humidity. When we talk about adjusting irrigation for seasonal changes, we actually go by monthly adjustments based on ET levels. This can be done manually using the seasonal adjustment settings on your irrigation controller, which allows you to set how much water you're putting out month by month. We employ a chart with levels we aim for throughout a typical year, adjusting month to month. As seasons change, our goal is to match the plant's water needs with what nature provides. But here's the best part: there's a smarter, easier way to handle these things without needing to manually adjust each month. We recommend upgrading to a smart controller called Hydrawise. Hydrawise uses a feature called Solar Sync to automate irrigation adjustments based on daily ET data and local weather conditions. This means the system can respond immediately to any changes, like unexpected rain or heat waves, without you having to lift a finger. With Hydrawise, you get better water efficiency and healthier plants. For our clients with new or existing landscapes, this upgrade is a real game changer. You'll save water, lower costs, and have peace of mind knowing your plants are getting exactly what they need. If you'd like to find out more about setting up an ET-based irrigation system or upgrading to Hydrawise, feel free to reach out. Let's make your landscape smart and sustainable. Visit schroco.com to learn more. We're licensed, bonded, and insured, serving San Diego since 1983. Design, build, and maintain with us.